Hi, and welcome to the preview launch of the AWS Health Scribe module for OpenEMR. Okay, so once you get the module and it's installed, we're going to go through a couple things here. It's going to be here, and then once you get it installed and it's enabled, then click on the little gears out here, the configuration page, and sign up. Okay, so it's going to read this. All right, and then you have our privacy policy here and our BA form here to sign. And then you can click the register button. The register button, of course, is going to take you, because we're going to need to put a payment method on file before you're allowed to use the program. Sorry, we can't do freebies on this one. AWS doesn't give us any free, so unfortunately, we got to have a way to pay, because you're being paid in the arrears and not before you use, because we're paying for usage only. All right, and with that, now let's say somebody didn't come to the screen. They enabled it and they just went to town, and they decided they're going to jump in and see if they could just go ahead and use it. They're going to get to this page here, and now when you open a patient's chart, I'm going to do this, back out of this, and ignore this one here because somebody else set this up, but I'm going to go ahead and do this, and we're in a demo patient's chart. This is not a real patient. Okay, and you notice it's going to put the Health Scribe button here, and then you're going to launch app. Now, when you launch app, it's going to say, hey, no payment method on file. And it says click here. Well, it's going to bring you back to this page anyway. And then you would need to go ahead and click the register button here in order to register the card on file with us. When you do that, you'll be taken to this page here, and you'll be filling it out. I'm going to pause while I go ahead and fill this out. Now, once you finish filling out all that credit card information, you'll get this page here. It is highly recommended, because it's part of the system, to bookmark this page here, which is the Stripe customer portal. So you can go in and you can manage your credit cards on file and check your invoices and a bunch of other things you can do in this portal. So make sure you bookmark this at the end. Now, what's going to happen next is that you're going to come into the system and you're going to click here, and then you're going to click launch app, and it's going to say no card on file. You're going to like, but I put a card on file. What happened? Well, let's show you what happened. Go to admin, because the system checks your email address that you're logging in with to see if there's a card on file. And this is the first draft, and so this is how we're going to have to do it, or we're doing it. So go to the address book, and it's checking here to see what is the card number on file for the person who is currently logged in, trying to log into the app. So go here, and I changed that email address so it would fail on purpose. So this is now the current email address. Oh, you don't need the trusted email. Do this and save. Now, when I go back here and do this and then say launch app, I get this page. All right. Now, here's the functionality, is that when you click in the sign in here, make sure you use the same email address that you use with your credit card. And then put in your password. Now, of course, if you haven't signed in already, you're going to have to create an account on the system. This is for security purposes and a bunch of other things, but go ahead and put your email address that you use for your credit card payment in here, and then create a password and go ahead and sign in. Wow, that gets you to the next step. So once you get signed in, then you're able to view conversations, start a new conversation, and then do the rest of the, or test out or use the system as planned or designed. That's the word I was looking for, as designed. But thank you much for watching this. We should be rolling this out very soon. Talk to you later.